I'm in the sleeper of a 2015 Freightliner Cascadia. Just got done setting up the TV and the microwave. It's my friend's truck, and mounted a antenna for the microwave. This is a 700 watt one from Walmart. It's the cheapest one. I think it's like 50 bucks. The trick to getting this to fit in this cubby, you basically have to wedge it in. That's the trick to it. You gotta wedge it in, force it. And I put two 2x4s under the microwave just to hold it up. And that's also where the TV mount is drilled to. As far as the TV, it's a 19-inch JVC, and that's the mount. You just screwed it in the hair, run it right in the wood. I don't know the max size you can use for the TV if you want to mount it like this. This is a team truck, so he had to have enough clearance for the top bunk to be down. When you're not driving, the TV tucks away in the corner. So I'm gonna get a bungee cord. That way when the TV is pushed back, it won't vibrate, because almost every TV I had installed in the truck, this always happened. All the vibration, all the shaking. I mean, most people don't even mount their TV permanently because of all this vibration, and yes, that will happen after a while. So gotta get a strap or something, that way it sits in there secure where it's not vibrating. It's easy, convenient setup. I mean, if you don't need a big 50-inch TV in your truck, you know, just go with something small. You can tuck it away. It's convenient. It's not big and bulky.